Hi, I'm Matt from Cookout BBQs, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Infinity Teppanyaki. Before we start, we need to check that the fat cup's empty. Ensure your barbecue is turned off and the plate is completely cooled down. So I have a scraper, a soft microfiber cloth, a bowl of warm soapy water, paper towel, bi-carb soda, some stainless cleaner and some cleaning vinegar. And I also have these scouring pads. I have a light duty and a heavy duty, and today I'm going to use the heavy duty. To start, I'm going to remove all the burnt on food and residue from the barbecue plate. Now that I've removed the bulk of the food, I'm going to use a paper towel to get the fat and splatter. I've prepared a bowl of warm soapy water with a soft cloth. I'm going to dampen my cloth and wring it out to remove any excess water before I wipe down the extra splatter on the barbecue. For stubborn stains on the barbecue plate, I'm going to use bi-carb soda and cleaning vinegar. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can mix a cup and create a paste with the bi-carb soda and vinegar. Today I'm going to pour it straight onto the barbecue plate. You'll see the vinegar and bicarb start to work into the fat and burnt on food. As that works in, you can take a green Scotch-Brite pad and work the burnt marks out of the barbecue plate. Going to use some paper towel to wipe the excess water, vinegar and bicarb away from the plate. Now it's quite normal for blackening of the barbecue plate. This is due to the high heat of the barbecue in addition to the food being burnt to the plate. Any stubborn marks can have the process repeated with the vinegar and bicarb. Now that I've finished with the bicarb and vinegar, you'll notice there might be some excess bicarb around the plate. I'm going to wipe that off with my soft cloth. I'm going to do a final wipe over with my soft cloth and warm soapy water, which will include the entire barbecue. I'm going to finish off with the microfiber cloth. Make sure you never pour water directly over the top of the controls. Now to prevent tea staining, and especially if you live near the ocean, we recommend wiping down the exterior of the barbecue regularly. To do so and provide some extra protection to the exterior, you can use a stainless steel cleaner, spraying directly onto your microfiber cloth and then applying to the exterior of the lid.